Hi friends, how are you doing? I'm Guru Rajan. Welcome to my YouTube channel to watch this sequence of videos on becoming a better programmer. In this video, we will see the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2022. So here are the top 5. Let's get into it straight away. Python, C, Java, C++ and C Sharp. So obviously let's get started with C. C is a programming language that has been there from time immemorial. You can say it's the first proper procedural language after Pascal to come about. So when you want to write operating systems, when you want to write device drivers, when you want to write embedded system programs, C is the program of choice. So people who want to write programs which are closer to hardware choose C, and C can also be chosen for writing other applications as well. So then you have Java. So Java is so famous for web development and backend web development and connectivity to the database. It's really iconic, and Java has a wonderful community. So whenever you have any issue, you can just look for Google, Stack Overflow, Stack Exchange, and so many of these websites talk about any of the problems that occur in Java. And Java is also very well supported by a organization of repute, Oracle. So you can look for any bug fixes on any current versions very easily. Then you have C++. So C++ is again so iconic for game development. Anything that is related to real-time video compression, video streaming, anything that you want to do in audio, C++ is so famous. And C++, we have almost all the major games written in C++. And C++ is also used in other than web and other applications. C++ nowadays is also used in AI and ML. So C++ is not going anywhere. So you can definitely learn C++ even in 2022. The other one is Python. Python is probably, if you're coming to programming new, if you're learning to program new, but I would recommend Python because it's easy to learn and it's easy on the eye. The syntax is also simple, and it's supported by a very big community as much as Java has. And Python is used in multiple domains as well, like AI and ML, data science, web development, Python for automation, and Python for big data analytics as well. Python is also very widely used in distributed systems. So, and Python learning and then having experience in Python with the relevant frameworks is very crucial, and Python programmers get a good pay package as well. Then you have the C Sharp. So whenever you have desktop applications created, you always have the .NET framework and C Sharp coming together, and C Sharp is also supported very well by the Microsoft community. So make sure you learn C Sharp if you want to stay on a very safe platform, and also you have a lot of support materials and videos available to learn .NET and C Sharp. So these are the 5 programming languages: C, C++, C Sharp, Java and Python. Make sure you learn a couple of them at least in 2022 to build your wonderful programming career. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Best wishes on becoming a great developer. Thank you.